so many Gen Z and young people giving up on their financial future?
So everyone's wondering why Gen Z is so nihilistic.
You might have heard many people say that Gen Z or Generation Z is not worried about their future. They're spending a lot more, saving a lot less, but hey, a recent study actually said that term insurance is extremely popular among the Gen Z. The study was done by Tata AI Life Insurance in partnership with Nielsen IQ, and it surveyed employed individuals between the age of 21 and 28 from cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, and Kolkata. The study said that 31% of the respondents plan to purchase a term insurance policy. Now, this was the highest percentage among all available life insurance options in terms of financial protection and a strong desire for long-term security. Gen Z seems to be very realistic. Now, the study also said that Gen Z is also finding a balance between the current needs and their long-term needs, with 18% of them already considering retirement and pension plans, marking a notable shift from more passive approach seen in the previous generations. Now, 1 in 4 individuals say that they prefer a combination of term insurance and wealth accumulation. This offers protection and savings. Also, 57% of the Gen Z wants to purchase insurance and are willing to invest more than 2,000 rupees per month. Now, this displays a stronger intent compared to the current policyholder in this age group. Other findings showed that 60% of the respondents prioritize physical health benefits when selecting a life insurance provider. Now, additionally, 65% of the male Gen Z individuals place more emphasis on wellness benefits as compared to 54% of the female Gen Z individuals. And despite Gen Z's preference for online activities, financial trust remains very, very important to them. And 53% of them still rely on agents or bank advisors for insurance purchases, while the rest are using online or other methods. Furthermore, 25% of the Gen Z is seeking financial advice on social media, indicating the increasing influence of digital creators and content. So if you're a Gen Z, tell us if you agree with this study and tell us in the comment section what topics you would like us to explore next. Till then, keep watching Simple Health.